What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the Block Blast game on your Android phone. Open up your Play Store guys, and once you're in the Play Store you want to ensure that you tap on games and just simple check the top chart. It is one of the most popular games and you can find it there. Now if you're not able to find it like I am, I can find it here. You can also type it in, so you can just go ahead and start typing Block Blast and you will find it. You search, you find the game, just simple tap on install and you will be able to install that on your phone. The game is about 165 megabytes, which means that it could take up to a minute or less to actually download on your phone. It depends on your connection. As you can see, mine is super fast here. It's actually at 65%, and so in a moment it's going to just start to install right there. The installation process is normally very fast, and so the process is going to be very quick. So from here, just simple tap on play. Once it is done, click on accept. You can allow consent, and here you're gonna have the game, and that's it guys.